बैटरी
Hello everyone, good evening.
इसमें बच्चे आएंगे, ऐड हो जाएं।
Please keep sharing this link with on your Facebook ID so that all other students also can see our live video and can interact with us right now. Are we audible to you? आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को प्रॉपर?
हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो हेलो।
जाना पड़ेगा।
आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को?
बहुत ऑडिबल। मोबाइल कर लेते हैं।
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन सबको।
शेयर कर दूँ या
तो व्हाट्सएप पर Good evening everyone. Bas let other students also join so that we can start our meeting. अपनी just share this live video on your profile as well so that other students also can join us and they can interact with us. कैसी रही आप लोगों की सबकी राखी? अरे कोई बात नहीं, अगर कोई लोकल टीवी चैनल वाले नहीं सीरियस ले रहे तो लेट इट बी। नेशनल वालों से अपनी बात चल रही है, वी आर टॉकिंग टू द नेशनल। इफ समबडी इज टेकिंग some interest in our topic then it is okay. If they are not taking interest, just let it be. Just try to another newspaper or another news channel. Don't get demotivated if some news channel, because they might be not having the idea about our topic, or that is why they are not taking interest. So just let it be. If somebody is not taking interest, some news channel is not taking interest, let it be. Just try for the another news channel and all the things, okay? Yeah, we'll just let's few other people join, then we'll start our all meeting and we'll discuss our progress till now.
Okay, guys. So, hello everyone. This is Dr. Bhupen Dharman Chaurasia from Indian Foreign Medical Student Welfare MCI Gurukul Trust. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all foreign medical doctors and your family. Hope all of you have enjoyed Raksha Bandhan. And today is a good day and very best day for all of us, because morning only we have shown the power of unity, because there are bombard emails to all the ministry, PMO and everyone, and I think it is very good to know, and I would like to share this. uh, from yesterday till today morning, totally the amounts of emails sent were more than 25,000. So it is something which is first time in a history of foreign medical graduates, or it is like something e-protest or e-campaign.
It is first time in the history of India that
Yeah.
some ministry have got more than 25,000 emails.
25,000 emails, because yeah, 25,000 emails are there. And after that, under secretary Amit Biswas, he sent reply to few of the doctors that please now don't send the mail, because we already have
About the things.
we already have know about your issue. And later on, I already had a phone conversation with the under secretary,
We'll talk about it
because he told that it's better that if president of IFMS WS will call me. So I called him, and we had a very fruitful talk with the under secretary. And now I want to tell you one good news, because many of the rumors are created by many people. So today, when I was one-to-one talk with under secretary Amit Biswas, it
Under
was
Secretary of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare.
Ministry
Okay.
of Health, Family Welfare. The
And we had a
person.
conversation of almost 15 minutes. The
Yeah,
phone conversation
yeah,
with him.
yeah.
We have already cleared all the points to him and whatever
Yes,
our
yeah.
thing is there. And we have asked for the time as well. We'll get to know about the time within a day or
Yeah,
two days.
within 1-2 days,
But
we
the
will.
best part is that
Yeah.
like many so-called people, those who are thinking that they are knowing each and everything about FMG, many owners, they were saying that, oh, this is not in their hand, this is in the parliament hand, and this is in the court hand. So after a 50-minute talk, we got to know that we already know that, but we got the confirmation from the ministry that it is in their hand.
Yeah.
To give to reduce the marks or to reduce the qualifying marks.
There is no need of any parliament, there is no need of any court. The passing percentage of foreign medical graduate examination, they can be decreased by ministry
itself.
Now everything is dependent on the health ministry. The people who are giving and bluffing the student that such passing percentage issue should be passed by some Supreme Court or some parliament, that is totally a rumor, because today we had confirmed it. We already know it, but today
We already know it, and we told you that time,
yeah,
that one-time exemption is a thing which can be passed by the parliament,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
which can be passed by Supreme Court. We
Yeah.
told you this thing.
That's why.
But that was a different
Yeah,
thing.
that is a
might be-
different
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
That's why when people come to us and asking about one-time exemption, we told them that it is a matter of Supreme Court, or it is a matter of Parliament.
Because
And
it was the part of the act.
yeah, it is a
NCI
part
Act.
of Medical Council Act, but yet, because see, we are a team, so when student wants something, it is our job that we will try to talk. When first time we made Dr. Vaz, the first point we raised was one-time exemption, but it was clearly said no by Dr. Vaz, because it is not in his hand. So today when I talked with Amit Biswas sir, it was clearly made that now the decision is totally on ministry hand, and ministry is looking very positive. I told them about the quality of all the university. All the universities are World Health Organization, they all are recognized by Medical Council of India. So I told him that when the same Indian government giving opportunity to Ayurvedic doctors, to homeopathic doctors,
Third year MBBS
third year MBBS doctors, to GNM nursing staff, then sir, we are having a team of more than 70,000 to 1 lakh foreign medical doctors.
And we are not seeking for any.
And we are not
one-time
seeking for
exemption
any
like
one-time
this.
exemption. We are not begging anything.
Yeah.
Because
we are not begging. We are asking our rights. What you have given to foreign
actually
medical,
many people are commenting that by asking this 30% thing, we are begging. Please sir, don't write such comment, because today some anonymous comment something and then later on he has to delete it, because the power of unity. might have make change your mind, because if you are typing any word against foreign medical
Now
graduate,
it won't be.
now it
Yeah.
won't be digestible.
It won't be accepted by anyone.
Yeah.
And you will get the reply of that.
Yeah,
If
and
you're-
today we have shown the power of unity by combined effort. We all know. So I want to clear it that many of the maybe some people are writing that we are begging. No, we are not begging. We are asking.
For the rights of
Yes,
FMG.
yes.
We are asking for the rights of FMG.
Because they want to get more and more doctor in
Exactly.
COVID-19
And
situation.
It is a beneficial situation. It is a win-win
our
situation for
our
India as
our
well.
health minister, our honorable health minister Dr. Harshvardhan said 2 days before that India needs more doctor. Yesterday our honorable home minister Amit Shah sir got corona positive. So now it is a high time this 1 lakh foreign medical doctors should now come in the ground, because as I know that Indian few because I got to know that some Surat hospital, they have giving
for the third year students.
for third year student to appear and to help in COVID-19, but they directly said no. But our foreign medical warriors, our foreign medical doctors warrior, government, all government official, all health ministry official, if my this video is going to prime minister office, sir, I want to tell you, we all represent more than 1 lakh foreign medical doctors, and this 1 lakh
well-trained medical doctors,
and this one
belongs to the topmost universities
of world. So this,
which is approved by Medical Council of India as
also.
well,
So this 1 lakh foreign medical doctors are yet ready to risk their own life. They are not worried about the life. They know the Hippocratic oath. They want to serve their motherland. They are not hiding. They just want the justification. They just want the justice from the government. They are not asking for one-time exemption, sir. They are not asking, and they are not begging. They are asking their rights, because they are Indian as nationality. They are not foreigner. They have a foreign degree, but they all are Indians. And as Indian government and health ministry and medical council of India can do for NIT PG, we are now raising our voice again and again, and I am damn sure that
the government is supporting
the government is also supporting us, because today after talking Amit Viswas sir, he clearly told me that yes, we got 25,000 mails and we are looking on it, and definitely we will try to do it. I said, sir, please do it as soon as possible, because on 31st there is a FMG exam. So we want everything to be done within 10-15 days, because all the FMG students are in big tension. They are having lots of pressure in their mind. So guys, we are fighting for our rights, and the unity and the power of unity which shown by you people are immense, and we all appreciated your efforts. So now we are guiding the second step which we are forwarding, and now Neeraj sir will tell you how we are going on our second step by tomorrow. And yeah, I am finishing this topic. I already had a conversation with the Under Secretary of Ministry of Health, Amit Vishwas sir, and he is positive. He said, Dr. Bhupen Chaurasia sir, don't worry, we got 25,000 emails, we got the notification by Medical Council of India. So now we are working on it, and we are trying to get a positive result as soon as possible. I said, sir, you need to do it, because family of 1 lakh doctors are there, and they will give you lots of blessing. They all want this, and we all want this, and we all will get this. It is not only we want this, we will get this. It is something which is now my dream and Neeraj sir dream. It is not only a dream of foreign medical graduate, it is a dream of our whole family. MCI Gurukul Trust is a family, and now it is a dream of our whole family that we will get this 30% passing percentage criteria to be reduced for December FMG exam, for August FMG exam, and for all upcoming FMG exam till national exit test execute. Okay, so be positive. We have got very positive reply from the Ministry of Health. Now Neeraj sir will tell you how we are proceeding from tomorrow on social media way. Okay.
Yeah. So as we have completed our first step, we have start mailing. We have requested you. We have told you all the students to email, bulk email, and to bombard the email IDs of the
officials
what we have given. So we have got the very positive feedback of that. First time in India history, a ministry or any email ID. We have provided more than 25,000 emails just in hardly in 2-3 days. Okay, so it's a very big thing. Already ministry got it and they said, sir, we have got your things, please ask them to do not send email because we are not able to work. Okay, so that is our very good step that we have already won our first step. So
Yeah.
now it's time to move on to the second step. So from tomorrow onwards, we need to send the emails. We will provide you the email and we will provide you the content, and along with the content we will provide you the email IDs. Now what we will do, we will send the email IDs to big newspapers, big
News channels.
okay, and big anchors. So that's
Yeah.
what we'll target, and from tomorrow we need to do this thing. And like the first step, we need to excel in this second step as well.
Yeah.
We need to send more than 25 to 30,000 because we want this thing to be done from each and every part. We don't want any loophole. Okay,
Yeah.
we want to push each and every limit. We want to cover each and everything. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is why we are trying to cover all the things. So from tomorrow onwards, all the students, you'll get the things, you'll get the email content, you'll get the email IDs. You need to send the email IDs on the content on the given email IDs, whatever will be provided
And
to you.
basically those email IDs will be of the big news channel people and the anchors, so that all we will provide tomorrow. And along with that, the content which we are providing is a newspaper press content. If you want to publish any news regarding our fight, you can give that content to the
Local newspaper,
yeah,
as
local
well.
newspaper, so
Local
that they will
newspaper,
publish
local
it.
news channel, those who
Yeah.
are having idea about it.
Yeah.
Because somebody just messaged me, sir, some local newspaper was not aware about the thing. So if they are not aware about the thing, let it be. Don't get negative. If you approach someone and he was not interested, maybe he was not having idea about FMGs, maybe he was not aware about all these things, maybe he was having some other plans. So just let it be. Don't get negative. Try to contact to other people. Okay.
See guys, see, our first agenda was just to crack ministry. Now if you are getting email reply from the under secretary that sir, please, already we got many thousands of email, please now stop it, please tell student to stop the email, because we already know, because we have bombarded. I am telling this from the very first day. Unity and the power of unity can change the system. I am telling this from the very first day in March when I started the fight for the internship. I am telling that time when me and Neeraj sir went there, nobody was there. Only few 4-5 FMGs were there, and all the people are thinking that nobody will accept them, nobody will listen them, because
As the
till
decision was
18
made.
years, any decision against FMG was just accepted slowly. Just nobody go and fight, but we fought and we won. So guys, I want to tell each and every foreign medical graduate, please understand the power of unity. You are not alone. Total we are 1 lakh people. There are 1 lakh foreign medical doctors are right now present in India and all around the world. So power of unity is something in which we can make impossible to possible.
You know, the power
Yeah.
of unity made many people to comment and then to delete their
Yeah.
status. So that
Yeah.
is the power of unity.
Yeah.
Now onwards, nobody will dare to write negative about us.
Yeah.
Negative thing about us or the fake thing about us.
Yeah.
That is what many, you know, like many people have hidden their comment box so that you cannot go and comment there.
Yeah.
So we are facing this thing. So that is the power of unity. And right now I want to talk to to such FMGs, those who already cleared that examination.
See,
I just want
one
to talk
question
to-
is coming.
Yeah.
Is any chance of exam postponed? Guys, see, all who are preparing for exam, combinedly, all those who didn't appear in FMG December, don't think for postpone, because I think the exam will not postpone. It will be on the time.
Already exam, like, you know, hardly 20,000, 30,000 FMGs are giving examination this time. I guess 30,000 are the total number of students, those who will appear for the examination. Already in Karnataka, they've took the examination of more than 1.5 lakh students, and that too on a single place. So it is not very hard for them to take the examination of 30,000.
Yeah,
don't worry
yeah,
for
this message is coming again. I want to tell you guys, right now also when I am seeing the comments, I am not seeing the display pic which I have sent. See, we all are working so hard, we are not sleeping, and many of the FMGs are not sleeping, and I know many
Still we are not able to
we are not able
see
to
what
see the
we have
display
sent it.
pic which we have sent. Please see, if you
Let me
want
show you
to
the display which we want. Okay.
see, if you want to make this as a social fight, you need to understand the power of unity. You need to listen me. If I am saying something, then it should be an importance. Please understand and please change your display pic. I am still seeing lots of
You have to use
private
this
pictures.
DP.
Just
You have
use
to
this
use
pic.
this DP. You can download this from here. Okay. You have to use this DP. Okay. You can
Because
got it from our
yeah,
any group or like this.
so after we will finish this online meeting, first thing you will do before log out, just change your display pic because
From
it is,
here and from all the social accounts. Okay?
yeah, yeah.
Second thing is this. Now I want to talk to those FMGs, those who have already cleared FMG examination. It doesn't matter from 150 marks or 220 marks or 240 marks. Dear brothers and sisters, we all FMGs are like a family, and in a family, if you have gone through that bench, you've crossed that borderline marks, and now you've got that PR and all the things. So I want to request you that if the students are getting the things and we are requesting for 30% marks, so don't take it negatively, and I think you should support, because this is not time for this thing. Because after that we are having many things. We want to fight together for the
Stipend of
we want to fight
internship.
together for the state quota of PG.
Yeah,
And there are many
yeah.
n number of issues are there.
So you need
Okay.
to support us, because
You need not to support us.
you need to support yourself. You need to
FMG
support
community.
yourself. Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
you need to support FMG community. Because the thing is that if you won't support, then how can we expect the IMG to support you guys?
Because see, it is very disheartening that I am seeing messages from foreign medical graduates, the same foreign medical graduates who are worried for their internship, and because we all together worked hard and we got the advisory, now all those few, not all,
Few of them,
maybe
those
one
who
or
passed from this year,
yeah,
last year,
maybe maybe one or two, because 99% of the pass out FMGs are supporting our campaign. Thank you very much,
I'm
doctors.
talking about those 1
Yeah,
2%.
for those 1-2 people, 1-2 FMGs who are thinking that scoring 150 marks is justified. If government will give degree on 90, it is some bezati. No, don't feel like that, brother. You are lucky that you cracked 150 and you got the PR.
Yeah.
Maybe you know that in your batches many students may be more hardworking than you, but maybe their luck wouldn't click down. And I'm telling again, 150 marks or one FMG screening exam clearance won't decide your future. You are a doctor, you are a good human being, and this we are doing because NIT PG percentile will decrease. So if they can decrease NIT percentile, then why not FMG exam percentage? That is our fight. Please try to understand, we are not begging unnecessarily. It is not begging.
We are fighting for the right.
We are fighting for the right. Just understand
And we
power
want
of unity.
Basically, we want to help India as well. You know, in right now, the after post-COVID situation, the things will get worse. India needs more and more doctors to be there. And if government is allowing the bridge course, they are asking BHMS, BMS, GNM to work for equivalent to MBBS. Then why not foreign medical graduates? And we are not asking that take all the foreign medical graduates. Okay, if you are having some qualifying criteria, it is 50%. Just make it 30%.
Yeah,
that's it.
we are
not asking that.
so-
okay, if they are graduated
now-
from there, just
yeah.
get their degree and just register
So
it.
now I expect all the foreign medical graduates, because 99% are supporting us. I
Those
just want to
1-2%.
talk to 1% people. I know there is a freedom of speech in the world. You can do anything, but this is the time that your junior brothers and sister needs you, because maybe in future, maybe when we raise the PG issue, when we raise some other issue, that time
You need
these people will
help
come and help you. So always remember, right now maybe you cleared the exam, you have gone through the same pain. Remember that pain. Remember that time when you studied abroad for 5-6 years without food, without parents, without Diwali, without Holi, without your India, without your relatives, and now you got the registration. So don't think that now if somebody is getting registration on 90 marks, that it is something unjustified. It is justified. because government has done the same for NIT PG, so we are
No,
asking the same for FMGs.
Here, you know, like many students, those who have got the admission in 2013, 12, they have very less marks, but they have money. They've got the admission into private colleges. They're
Yeah.
working in India.
Then
so
why-
why you're
then-
not feeling hard for them?
Yeah.
That is not the thing.
In
Don't
India,
talk,
you know,
like two faces.
in India, you know, 50% of the deserving candidates never get admission in MBBS because of money. But guys who have the power of money, they get the admission. So now, if they are your competition, you are okay with that. But
If
you are not.
fellow FMGs
Yeah,
or the junior FMGs are coming, then don't take it.
I want to
negatively.
tell this to all the foreign medical doctors, whether you have cleared the exam, whether you are preparing for exam, or whether you are studying in medical college, please respect each other. Because if you don't respect each other, if you don't stand with each other, nobody will come and support you.
And I want to add one more thing. It is just for we are talking about only those negative 1-2%.
Yeah,
people.
yeah.
I have got
99% of
I've
the
got
fraternity-
more than 500 messages in my mobile phone
Yeah.
from the pass out students, and they said, "Sir, we are with you guys, and if you need any help, we are tweeting, we are asking our friends to
Yes,
tweet, and
yes,
we are
yes.
asking our friends to mail." So
Yeah.
these people are supporting us. 99% of the FMGs, whether they are pass out as well, they are supporting us. We are just talking about those 1% because we are like a family. And we don't want any family member to act different from others.
Yeah.
That is why we are trying to tell you the things, and we
Yeah.
are trying that you should also feel positive about this thing.
Yeah, because if because see, once we get this 30% done, believe me brothers, more than 50-60,000 doctors will get the permanent registration. Please think about their father, mother, think about their family, think about their siblings. They all are stuck because of this one FMG screening exam. I know thousands of families got stuck. They don't know what to do because they stuck from last 4 years, 5 years, 10 years.
Like I just want to
So
just
please
message
try
this.
to understand this.
Today I just talked to a girl. She said, "Sir, I was getting 145, 148, 147 in this examination, last examination. She got 149. So what about her? Is she is not eligible enough to
Yeah.
get that PR degree? If she got 140, she got 140 in 150 instead of 149, then she is intelligent according to you. So that is not the thing. If something is wrong-
FMG exam won't decide the intelligence of anyone. It won't decide the destiny of anyone. Now I am telling this and I am telling it again. You all are the creators of your own destiny. If you have the guts, if you have the unity, and if you have the power, you can change the injustice happening in the society. And we are here to change that injustice happening with foreign medical graduates from last 18 years, and we will change it down. Don't worry, we are with
And
you.
again, we are saying that we are not seeking any help or we are not seeking for any exemption.
Yeah.
We are asking the equality.
Yeah.
We are asking the
The
equality.
equality among the Indian medical graduates and the foreign medical graduates.
That is what we are asking.
Yeah.
for. Got my point? So just don't feel like this that okay, we are not asking for something different. It is a different thing. We are just
we
asking,
deserve it.
we want qualified students to be there.
Yeah.
But if you're decreasing the qualifying criteria, decrease it here as well. That is only our demand. We are not asking to just change the rules, and so that is considered by the ministry as well. MCA also considered it, because if the demand was like unusual and was not good, then MCA didn't recommend it,
never forward and never recommend our letter to health ministry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is very justified thing, and that's what we are asking. So I guess you've got the points that what we are asking, and we have already told you the issues and how we are progressing. Today already we have said that almost today in Twitter as well we have got more than around 4-5,000 tweets we've got.
Yeah.
And mail also we've told you 25,000 email already ministry got. Today
Yeah.
we ask all the students now not to send email on those email IDs.
Yeah,
We will provide you
tomorrow,
the content,
yeah.
and we will provide you the email IDs.
Yeah.
So you need to do to the second step, and you will need to do it from tomorrow on.
Yeah, and one more important thing I want to tell you. Today we have talked with many good people like BJP ministers, many students, relatives.
Those are in
Yeah, as yesterday I told to you people that if you have any Phupaji, Mamaji,
Any relative.
who used to tell you that we have that political link, we have that political link. So today we have got more than 10 plus political links, and we have talked with big ministers, and they all were ready, and they all are with us. Once they understand our issue, they are saying, don't worry Dr. Bhupen, don't worry Neeraj sir, your initiative is very good and you are there to help more than 1 lakh FMG doctors. We are with you. So guys, with this family, I am telling this again, if you guys have any political link, if you are any political people know, MLA, MP, anyone, try to talk with them, because this time we need the unity, we need everyone, and we are doing it. So today there is a very good news that many of the big politicians, we have talked with them and we told them that please coordinate the same to Dr. Harshvardhan sir. So they said don't worry, we will talk with them, and the positive result will come within 2-3 days. And the same thing, the student asking us,
we are trying very hard, and we are trying very hard
actually
to get the
see,
things as soon as possible.
see one
Okay.
thing I want to clear. I am getting calls from many students. They are telling me, sir, please tell me in how many days we'll do it. My dear, if अगर मैं हेल्थ मिनिस्टर होता, I can do it in 1 second. Okay,
We are trying very hard
we
for
are
it.
trying to do it. If it is in my and Neeraj sir hand, maybe
You could
we
have
will
done
do
in
it
1
1 second. But you know, it is something which is not easy. The fight is not easy. The toughest part was getting the recommendation letter by Medical Council of India.
And we got
So
it
we
already.
have done that 99.9% work. And I'm telling you again, don't stop your studies. Don't think about the timing. We will try to get this done as soon as possible, maybe by 15th August. But unnecessarily don't think much. Try to focus on your studies. When you are having break, just do the social media campaign of our this MCI Gurukul Trust issue which we are raising, the 30%. That's it. Because it is not possible to answer the calls and telling please study, because every minute students are calling and they are asking the same thing, sir, when will it happen, when will it happen? Guys, believe me and Neeraj sir, we are not sleeping even for 2 to 3 hours every night, and we are trying our level best just to make this as a social campaign, and we want to do it as soon as possible. So don't worry, it is like we are your family. Just trust us. We are trying our level best to make this possible as soon as we can, but we don't know when it can happen. Maybe it will take 2 days, maybe it will take 20 days. Anything is possible, but the point is not about days, it's about we have to do it. 5 दिन में होगा या 15 दिन में होगा ये नहीं पता, बट होगा ये पता है.
That we will do.
2 दिन में होगा या 20 दिन में होगा ये नहीं पता, बट होगा ये पता है. हमको ये करना है. We 1 lakh people, 1 lakh family of MCI Gurukul Trust, foreign medical doctors, our family, this family, we will do this anyhow. हमको ये करना है, बस ये करना है. That's it. It is our mission, it is our agenda. Don't think about time. भाई 2 दिन भी लग सकता है, 20 दिन भी लग सकता है, 5 दिन भी लग सकता है, 15 दिन भी लग सकता है, but at the end we have to do it. That is our mission. Okay,
Our main agenda
is just we have to do it.
We want to do it as soon as possible, as early as possible. That is why we are just
बेटा अमित विश्वास सर से बहुत पॉजिटिव बात हुई. ही टोल्ड दैट ओके डॉक्टर, आई अंडरस्टैंड इट, एंड यू आर
made
हैविंग
one thing very clear.
Yeah.
We have talked almost 15 minutes. So he didn't said anything about any
Negative point.
that sir, this is not in my hand, it is in ministry hand. Oh, sorry, it is in parliament hand, or it is in Supreme Court hand. He didn't say anything like
he
this.
said yes,
It could be done.
It could be done. It could be done, and definitely we are reporting this, and we have got the advisory, from recommendation from MCI, and we already saw the recommendation by 25,000 people. So they know everything about us. Our matter is already in front of health minister
Within a day
and
or 2
all
days,
the officials.
within a day or 2 days, we'll get the exact time.
Yeah.
We will let you know you know all the time of meeting.
Maximum by 6th, 7th or 8th. On this 3 days, any day we are going to meet the officials. Don't worry, we are into it. We are more, see, you are thinking for one person, that is yourself, but we are thinking for 1 lakh people. Okay, so our determination, our strength, and our emotions are more sensitive, because you are just thinking for yourself. Remember that. If I will do the same, मैं भी बोलूँ यार मेरे को टेंशन हो रहा है बहुत, I am not telling it, right? So me and you, we all are on same platform, we all are a family. So don't feel tension, don't feel nervous.
Just
It is
be
a normal
positive.
thing. Be
Just be
positive,
positive.
continue your study.
Just be positive.
You are getting tension for yourself, and we are not getting tension for 1 lakh people, so it is not justified, right? We are a family, so just right, like we are taking tension from yourself, you can also don't give tension to us, because we are your family, right? So if you call us and if you say, sir, we are negative, we are pressurized,
Don't feel negative.
please don't feel negative.
pressurized. That's why we already told you.
We will try our level best to do it done, but guys, again I am telling, change your display pic, make it a social campaign, do it. And I can see many still don't have changed the picture.
भाई
Please,
पेपर से पहले ही करवाना चाह रहे हैं, पेपर से बहुत
Yeah,
पहले
yeah,
हम तो चाह रहे हैं कि
definitely.
एडमिट कार्ड से पहले हो जाए.
we are trying to do it before NB issue the admit
Our
card.
main agenda is to try to get it done before 15th August.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
is our main
definitely,
agenda.
definitely.
And that's what we are planning.
We will do it. Yeah, yeah, we are coming on English. Yeah, so we are trying our level best to do this before 15th of August. But guys, just I'm telling this in 30 seconds. I don't want any message or any call and any tension to any FMG, because if you are in tension, if you are in pain, it is my pain, and I don't want to see you in pain. So please don't take tension, just you give time to your studies. I'm saying again and again from the very first day, don't stop your studies, please focus on your studies. Yeah, maybe the concentration is the matter, but don't stop studies, try to do studies. We will do it, we all will do it, but please make this is a social campaign. Change your display pic, that is the basic necessity. And also do Twitters, go to Twitters. Tomorrow we are going to send the content, and we all are together. And today you have seen that nobody has said any negative about us today, because yesterday only we cleared it. The power of unity is something that once, just believe me, within 2-3 days, many people who are not supporting right now, they will definitely come and support. Even they don't come, we don't care. If you are with us, we are happy. If you are not with us, don't worry, we have 1 lakh people, 1 lakh foreign medical doctors.
We are enough to fight.
Yeah,
for ourselves.
we are enough to fight for ourselves.
Okay.
We don't need anyone. And one more thing, we don't need any expert suggestion. That, see, today there are some anonymous messages that guys, be ready, ministry is not going to accept 30-40%, don't expect much from them. Please guys, don't worry about such statements by anyone.
Every day, actually, the thing
Yeah.
is that those persons, those who are telling that they are guiding the students from last many times, they are doing it regularly. Or regularly we got the comment, expertise comments
Yeah.
from them about this. Okay, this not gonna happen. Ministry is not involved. Parliament
Ministry is not going to entertain. The word was entertain.
Minister was not going to entertain. It is somebody
Yeah.
told it is into parliament hand.
Yeah.
Some institute and some persons, they blocked the students, those who asked to send the email. So there are n numbers
of
persons
people,
there.
and we don't care.
And as we told you yesterday, till today, till this time, we didn't get any call from anyone and any support from anyone. But now, when the things start changing, you will see the double face of those people as well. They'll feel this thing and they'll say, oh, that's what we want, and finally this is going to happen.
Yeah, the people who are
they'll
not-
start joining us.
Yeah.
But that is their double face.
Yeah, that is their
Because
double face.
those who want to join this fight and those who want to run with this fight, they have already joined it till now.
Yeah, like the consultancies.
Like the consultancy.
Yeah,
they are
and one
supporting
more
us right
thing,
now.
one more thing, I want to talk with all the consultancies of India, because there are more than 1,000 consultancies, all respected consultancies. Honor, I am very thankful to all the consultancy people who are supporting this campaign. Please help all the students, and please tell all your students to change the display pic and keep the display pic
And
of.
you all
And
guys
you
do the
also,
same.
and all the consultancy people, you also please change your display pic, put the status like you are putting the status of the MBBS university you are promoting at the time of session. Please, for coming 10 days, promote this our 30% campaign. Please promote it, because your support and your unity is also necessary for all of us, because it is a combined effort. We all are a family. And thank you very much to all the student who called us today and who told that, sir, we have that particular link. Because today I got even call from Kerala, Bengal, even we got call from Gujarat, sir, our Falana uncle is having relationship with some MP, so what we can do, sir, can we make a call? Many people have
Many
did it.
people, many
So-
people are going.
so
Tomorrow
today
also
I
many
want
people
to-
are going
so-
to MPs and MLAs.
So today I want to tell it again. Please recall it, because sometimes we forget. But recall it. Maybe some of your uncle, maybe some of your auntie, anyone. Maybe they have some political link. So try to connect those political ring right now, because right now we need it. See, if we are in pain, we need the medicine. So the person who is giving the medicine, he is a real person.
Is the real name of the person was here.
Yeah, he is the genuine person. Once your pain is gone, if someone is coming with lots of medicine, it won't work. So this is the time to get support. If someone is coming and support you right now, they are your true supporter. And if someone is supporting because they know that now the things are going positive, we have to support. Otherwise, so don't trust those people, because they are double faced people. Okay, and I think all the foreign medical doctors, you are matured enough, and me and Neeraj sir,
Today even All India Medical Students Association also tweeted.
All India Medical Student Association.
Thank AIFMSA.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much to all the associations, even of Indian medical graduates or foreign medical graduates,
yes.
all the students, all the doctors, all the family members, all the relatives, all who are helping us in this social campaign. Thank you very much from the bottom of our heart, and we all want to make this possible as soon as we can. This is the only dream we all are watching right now. There is no other dream. The only dream is to make the FMG December 2019, the August FMG exam, and the upcoming FMG exam passing percentage reduced from 50% to 30. Means now they want to get 150, now we want to make it 90. That is what we all are dream of.
So already we have spoken about all the things, and if you have any suggestions, you can put over here.
Yeah.
And as Dr. Arman told yesterday, if somebody is putting any wrong or negative comment, you need not to fight with them.
Yeah.
You just need to write "आप बेवफा हैं."
Yeah.
That's it.
Just
that is the thing. Only you need to
just use the name. For example,
Rahul.
if Sonam is writing something, you
Negative.
just write Sonam tu bewafa hai. That's it. Don't write
their name
anything.
and just write "तू
Don't
बेवफा है" या "आप
waste,
बेवफा हो."
don't waste your energy. If they are elder to you, then you can write aap
बेवफा
bewafa ho.
That's
If they
it.
are younger to you, you can write tu bewafa hai. And please don't comment once. Please copy that comment 10 times. So ultimately,
Let
the
them
person,
feel- let them
let
feel
them
that
feel
they
the
are doing
reality,
wrong thing.
and maybe I am damn sure 101% when 10, 20, 30 FMG doctors put such comment, they are gonna delete that comment definitely.
Yeah.
And now we will do it.
We don't allow any negative
Person if talk negative about our foreign medical doctors, if anyone try to discourage our foreign medical doctors, brother and sister, we are going to ruin their timeline, and we will do it in a very गांधीवादी तरीका. तू बेवफा है. Don't use bad words, guys. हम लोग बड़ा प्यार मोहब्बत वाले लोग हैं. We people believe in love and trust. So what we will do? You are बेवफा. That's it. No gali, no galoch. Be respected, and respect is there. If they are elder to you, say आप बेवफा हो. If they are younger to you, say तुम बेवफा हो. Okay? Remember
that.
that.
The thing is there, and please don't fight from
Don't-
each other.
yeah, don't
because
fight with each other.
You might have some.
See,
different
sometimes there are
sensitivity.
issues of some points. Maybe there are some confusion of the points, but we all are one family. See, me and Neeraj sir, we want to make this foreign medical fraternity as a one single family. If you hurt, I have to feel the pain. If
That
you
is
are
what
in
we want.
problem,
That is what
I
we
want to
want.
feel the pain, and if I am in problem, you have to feel the pain. So that pain, if we all are feeling together, why I am feeling that pain? Because I have lived that life of foreign medical graduate. I was in China for 5 years. I know the pain of foreign medical graduate. That's why I am here. So many times, if someone writing some negative, don't get distressed. Yeah, you have me, you have Neeraj sir, and you have more than 1 lakh of your foreign medical doctors with you. Just for 1 or 2 negative comments, don't get discouraged. Okay?
Somebody was asking that will the MLA and MPs can help. So already I have suggested you, if you have in contact with any MP and MLA, just go to them, and if they are related to NDA, you know what is NDA and what is UPA. If they are related to NDA or BJP, then you can ask them to, sir, please just make a call to the health ministry, to the Dr. Harshvardhan, and please ask them to support us in this fight.
Yes.
If he will call us them, and
Just
if you ask them for the help, that would be beneficial.
what paper you need to provide them, that we will provide you by tomorrow. You just need to tell 4 sentences, sir. Our Indian Foreign Medical Welfare MCI Gurukul Trust recommendation letter is already sent to Ministry
From
by
MCI.
Medical Council of India, in which we have requested to reduce the passing percentage of foreign medical examination in December 2019 exam and in August FMG exam and all upcoming FMG exam. And sir, why we are doing it? Because already Government of India, Medical Council of India have done the same for NIT PG. Just 2 things, that's it. We are done with that. हमको बस ये 2 बात को फोकस करना है. Our agenda is same. Just be focused on agenda. And one more thing I want to tell you, don't put any video, anything
Against the government.
Okay, and this
We are
time
in support of government.
yes,
And we want government to do this.
and I know all of you are supporting the government, and I am damn sure that our Narendra Modi sir, Health Minister sir, Harshvardhan sir, all are working for the benefit of 135 crore Indians, and they know the pain because they all are coming from a poor family. They all are coming from the ground, and we all are belonging from middle class family. Many of the FMGs got their degree because their parents have just sold the land, they have got the loan. So guys, remember the pain, and I am damn sure that even the government of India know the pain of 1 lakh people, and they will never do injustice to any foreign medical doctors as they have done the justice for NIT PG. I am 1 crore 1% sure again, and
They
saying
have to
this,
do it for
they
FMG.
have to do it for FMG. So be together, be united. If anyone try, because see, now our campaign is going very good. Maybe some people are coming and try to ruin you, try to take some videos from you. So please be aware. Anyone asking any video, just please contact me and Neeraj sir once, that sir, someone is asking to click a video, someone is asking for this, so can we go? Please remember that, because maybe our campaign is going very good. We are not having any
Somebody
negative
can
point.
Put it in some another way.
So
So
please
before
remember.
doing anything, just ask
Because
Dr.
see,
Arman or to me.
before that you are one identity. Now you are a family of 1 lakh people. Remember that.
You're a part of a family.
Before 3 days you are just one particular identity. Now you are a family member of 1 lakh people. If you are in a pain, then remaining 99,000 people are again in the pain. So remember that. Don't put any video, anything before or without asking me or let us know, because maybe that will, somebody can portray that in any another way. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so guys, I think we have talked everything clearly. What is our agenda today? We have got a positive news from the ministry.
As you have contact with NDA and RSS people, just go and ask the same thing with them. And
Tell
you have
them
my
to talk.
WhatsApp number as well.
Yeah.
Just ping me on WhatsApp, so I'll help you out what to talk and
Yeah, you just
what to
directly
talk.
connect that person to Neeraj sir or to me. If sometime we are not able to catch your phone, kindly message. Please try to message us,
Before
because
going anywhere, just message us.
yeah, message us. Okay, because many time it happens
Because
that
almost from all such days, we are getting almost
thousands.
one call in 1-2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is sometimes it is very hard to pick up all the calls.
Like ministry email bombarding, our phone calls are also bombarding. There are more than 1,000, 2,000. So that's why we are not able to catch all the calls, and don't feel bad. You can message us on WhatsApp and we will definitely reply all the students' message. Okay. It's better to message us. Anytime you need anything, just better to message on WhatsApp, because sometime it happen we are not able to catch your phone calls. Okay.
What is ministry agree, then what about NBE?
See.
NBE is the only examination conducting body. They have to follow the rule made by ministry and Medical Council of India. So NBI is not having any role in that. Okay, so don't worry about NBE.
Beta, NB is just a body. Like for the provisional certificate, you know that Medical Council of India just wrote them the letter, follow the Act of 1956. They are just to follow the rules. NB has nothing to
NB
do.
have to follow the rules of MCI. They
Yeah.
sent the recommendation received from Indian Foreign Medical Graduate IFMS Welfare MCI Gurukul Trust regarding providing
Provisional certificate.
providing provisional certificate and declaration of their results permanently on the basis of provisional
Yeah.
certificate. So that is done by Medical Council of India on the basis of our letter.
Actually, NB
and now it is accepted by NBE. Okay,
Yeah.
so NBE is just the examination
NB is not
conducting body.
NBT is, remember one thing, National Board of Examination is just to make the exam. That's it. They have no rights. they have no power. The provisional certificate matter was not taken by them. Actually, they have ordered by Medical Council of India. So we already cracked that through MCI. So NBE will not do anything. They just follow the rule. If ministry say we are making it 30%, they will just agree. Don't worry about
Okay,
NBE.
Twitter, somebody is asking why Twitter is getting down. Actually, most of the IDs gets blocked.
Yeah.
So that is why actually the thing is that Twitter is foiling the things. If you are tweeting the things and after tweeting, if you are just copying the content, the same content, and you are putting on your wall, then they recorded it as a spam.
Spam.
Okay, so they sometimes block your ID. So that's why I messaged today that if you want to retweet something, then use the same hashtags, but try to put your own message or
Yeah.
own picture regarding R2R issue. Okay, we are with you.
So if we are just
regarding
we
media,
are just
we are in already contact with media persons. The media person, those who have written the then in
Aaj Tak,
the news, Aaj Tak.
Neeraj sir already talked with
Mr.
him.
Sanjay, so I already got his number. I already talked with him. Right now he's in Ayodhya, so I'll talk to him regarding this issue as well, and we'll ask him to put up proper news regarding our issue. Okay,
Guys, but as we already told you, by tomorrow we are starting the step second, in which you need to bombard the mails to the big channels, the national channels.
you need to
the
send
national anchor.
You need to send the
We
emails
will
to them.
Yeah,
Okay?
you need to
So
send
that
emails.
they'll get aware
Now,
of our things.
all the students who are in confusion, just please let it clear once again. Now we don't need to send emails to those we have already sent. Now we are changing the email IDs. Now our main agenda is to make our this agenda in front of the media people, because already ministry, PMO office, all those people, they know our agenda. Now they all know our agenda. And about our planning, today ministry was very positive. Very soon I am meeting Amit Viswas sir within 1-2 days. Don't worry for
Anyone
that.
from the ministry will
Any
meet within 1-2 days.
within 1-2 days. Maybe we are meeting Sanjay Roy ji or Amit Viswas ji. Third important thing which we have told you, that please make this as a social campaign. Still I am seeing some profile pictures. I don't want to see any profile picture. I want to see just one profile picture, which was made by one of the foreign medical graduate from ISM. So just remember that all are serving, all are putting their part. Please join this social campaign and be the warrior, be the writer of your own destiny. This is now or never situation, okay? Because before that all the foreign medical graduate think that कोई हमारे बारे में बात करने के लिए नहीं है, हमारे मुद्दे को कोई नहीं सुनता, हमारे लिए कोई कुछ नहीं करता, हम बस जो भी रूल बन जाता है हमको फॉलो करना सिखाया जाता था. We came together and we have told you and we have told the world that
No
if
injustice will be
happen to
with
any foreign
FME.
medical graduate, if any rule taken by MCI or ministry which is opposing and which is an
Which is
injustice
wrong.
to foreign, which is wrong,
which is an injustice
me
to FMG.
and Neeraj sir, we have that power, because we have the power of 1 lakh foreign medical doctors. We have that power that we will change that decision within 3-4 days. We will do it. Okay. So guys, now just we are concluding it. We are just here for 3-4 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask. हाँ बेटा, अमित विश्वास सर से बात हो गई. He said okay sir, we are very positive and definitely we are now noting your document and we are talking on that, and I told him to do it as soon as possible. So that was a phone conversation of 15 minutes and very soon we are meeting with him. Okay.
Right, okay.
Yeah, NDTV is not good. It is not about good or bad. Just don't involve NDTV.
We don't want this issue to be portrayed as
In a negative mode, because if it is go on prime time or Ravish show, then obviously he will portray the news anti-government, and we don't want any movement which is anti-government, because
it is not anti-government. The
because
government
it
is supporting us.
because our government is supporting us. Our honorable health minister said that we need more and more doctors.
Our Medical Council of India, it is also governed by central
they are
government.
supporting us.
They are supporting us.
They have
forwarded
given
our
the
letter.
they have
So
recommendation.
that is why. So we don't want any negativity in our campaign. That is why we said to don't go for that. Yeah. We have got ministry. We have already said about the positive response we got the ministry. You can see the video. We've already discussed about it. Okay. Anything else? If you have, one more thing what I want to give you, if you have any spare time for 5-10 minutes, if you can get the personal number of any media person, just try to get it and just try to send it to me. I will talk to them. Okay?
Yeah.
I've already told about what ministry.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess we've concluded and we've talked about all the issues. So let's end today's meeting.
Yeah. We stick on 30%, guys. Don't worry. Our main agenda is 30% and we stick with a Fevi stick. Don't worry. Okay. हम चिपक चुके हैं फेवी स्टिक से, फेविकॉल
We are
से.
fighting for
डोंट वरी,
30%
वी
only.
आर फाइटिंग फॉर 30% ओनली एंड वी ऑल कैन मेक इट. बट प्लीज लिसन व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू. चेंज योर डिस्प्ले पिक ऑफ फेसबुक, ट्विटर, व्हाट्सअप, सब जगह से बदलो. फैमिली मेंबर्स को बोलो, दे विल चेंज इट. यू आर इन केरला, तमिलनाडु, वेर एवर यू आर इन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, please change your display ping and please put the picture which we are telling you to do it. Sir, you made a ministry. Okay, stick to 30%. Yeah,
that result
that,
we have
see,
already got. That
about the result,
that is a separate issue.
that
We
is
need
a-
to go to NB for that.
Yeah.
And we will go before examination. So don't worry regarding this.
And thank you for all the memes which are coming nowadays for me and Neeraj sir all over who are making those memes. Thank you very much. Be united, guys. Just make some memes in which
Unity
will be there. I know there are lots of good fresh minds of foreign medical graduates, doctors. So if such memes are coming, we really appreciate it. And please put some memes in which the FMG unity will come, because it is now a time to be united. And I know right now, as Dr. Amit Viswas said, we have got more than 25,000 mails. On written he said 10,000, but when he was talking to me he said, sir, our mailbox was bombarded by your student and it was more than 25,000
we
mails.
are not able to find our office mail, sir.
He is very worried. He was like, sir, we are not able to see our official mail. I said, okay, don't worry. Now we are stopping mail, but we want this to be done. And he said, don't worry, we will definitely look into it, and we are positive and we are definitely supported and we will do it.
Somebody asked about the provisional regarding MCI. So don't worry for this. This will be notified by NB very soon to you. We
Yeah.
have got the official letter.
Official letter is there now.
So
This
don't
is
worry.
this is the advisory.
Nobody can stop you to
Yeah,
giving examination
it
and
is
getting your result.
already a advisory. Yesterday I told you what is the difference between recommendation letter and advisory. So this is already a advisory.
Because
Now
it is in their act.
yeah, now everyone can appear for FMG exam on the basis of provisional certificate, and they can get the result on the basis of provisional certificate. That is permanent. Internship issue of China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Philippines is confirmed. Now no need to do internship once you have done there. Okay, so everything is available on public domain. Regarding the internship, already I told Dr. Words to put on the website, so no state medical council can harass you. If anyone is telling that they are not accepting that advisory, tell the registrar to give in written and then send it to me. Then I'll complain the same to Ministry and Medical Council of India. Okay.
Tomorrow we'll get the appointment time. By tomorrow,
Yeah,
we'll get
tomorrow-
we'll get the time of either 6th, 7th or 8th. We'll get to know about 5th.
I already
by
told
5th
you
evening we'll get to know the time.
by 6th we'll get it. No, maybe 6th, 7th, 8th, any day we'll meet them. We will let you know.
We'll get to know about this by 5.
And I am telling this again. Maybe when I am meeting health minister or I am meeting the bureaucrats, maybe I need maximum foreign medical graduates to accompany me. So all the foreign medical graduates in Delhi, in Gautam Nagar, or you are near the Rajasthan, or you are near Rajasthan border or Haryana border or to UP border, I want you guys to be with me the day I tell you. And I will tell you 1 or 2 days in advance. Don't worry. Okay, so whenever I am calling you, you have to come physically, come with your car, come with anything, but you need to come here, because this is a time to show the power of unity, and we are showing it again and again. And everything which is happening from last 4 days is beyond the success. Today the mail of the under secretary today itself is one more success, that power of unity can do anything. Because I am damn sure if 1 or 2 people will mail them, they will never reply. But as they got 25,000 mails,
They had to reply.
they had to reply. They had to reply, and they had to understand, and they have to agree on the 30% issue. Okay.
So I was getting many messages over there regarding internship issue. So you have Dr. Arman Sambhal and my number. So
Yeah.
just message us your that concern. We will help you out and try to figure out your problem and we'll get
Definitely,
some
guys,
solution
I am
to it.
telling again and again, we are considering for December 2019.
That is our
August. That is our base. Then June, then August, and then coming FMG exam. Don't write again and again the same thing. Don't waste your energy. Do the same on Twitter. Don't worry, we know our agenda. You just remember the agenda. Don't forget. Okay? Don't forget the agenda. We are stick on our agenda. Don't worry.
Somebody is asking 30% is not written in MCA letter. Is there any problem?
Yeah, actually-
they forwarded our letter to them, and because the thing is that according to the rule, MCI cannot put anything before ministry ask them.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So they've asked it to the ministry that we have got such things, and we have they forwarded
See,
our letter.
I want to read the letter, and I want to make it very clear. See, you are seeing representation of foreign medical graduates dated 29th 7, reduction in qualifying marks in FMG December 2019 and for all upcoming FMG examination till NEXT. Okay, please find enclosed hereby representation received from Indian Foreign Medical Student Welfare Gurukul MCI Trust 29/7 seeking reduction in qualifying marks in FMG December and for all upcoming FMG examination till NEXT for action as appropriate at your end. Signed by Dr. R.K. Vats. Registration number is, you can see, MCI 2031 General 2020 registration 11243 dated 30/7/2020, and hereby the letter attached
They will
of
close our letters.
it is the enclosed letter.
And here it is written.
It is written reduction in qualifying marks in FMG December 2019 for all upcoming FMG examination till NEXT execute, and it is signed by me, Dr. Bhupen Chaurasia, 29. So guys, everything is documented. Don't worry, because many people are telling that this happen every time before exam. So it has never happened in last 18 years. First time everything was happen in a documented way and in a legal way. We are going with a very proper channel, and we are damn sure we'll make it. So be together, be united, be safe, and be happy. And now we are just finishing it off.
Tomorrow,
God bless you.
Tomorrow we'll have a meeting and we'll give you update by the same around
Yeah.
9 to 10 o'clock. We'll get the time on our WhatsApp group.
Every
Facebook
day,
group,
every day,
we'll have a
even
meeting.
every day, even because of our busy schedule, we are trying to spare 1 hour for you people, because we know that when we come online, you feel good, you feel relaxed, and you ask your question. Your family and all parents will come together and talk to us. Even we feel very happy on that. So God bless you all. Now we are finishing it off. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you again, and be happy, be safe. Thank you very much.
Bye bye. Good night. Take
Bye-bye,
care.
good